Guys, welcome to GMZone. So what I'm going to show you guys is how to sharpen your eye to make the eye which so dull to brighten it. That eye that you've been complaining about, that oh, this thing is not really nice. I really want to make this thing be more good, more sharpen, and so on and so forth like that. So I don't really need to show my face, but what I really focus on is what we are here to achieve. So I don't really need to show my face on that, and I want to make this video to be more understanding, that nobody will have to be confused about this video. And also I want you guys to comment, let me know your view, where you are confused around with this video. So I'm going to open my Photoshop. It's opened already, so I'm going to open it. So I'm going to bring any picture in which I want to use. So I'm going to drag it in. I'm going to drag it in. So I'm going to drag it to the layer. So here is the picture I want to use to sharpen or to brighten the eye. So this is the way you have to do it. Now I've zoomed it. So what do we have to do next? Very simple. Just watch me. So you check by your right here, this side, which I'm moving my mouse. You check, you see something like libraries, you see adjustments, and what we want to use is adjustment. And what we need from this adjustment, we have so many tools under adjustment. So what we need is what is called vibrance. Yeah, vibrance, which is one, and the next one is brightness. So we are going to choose vibrance. Okay, we are going to scroll this backward and shift this forward. We get it right? Okay, that's good. So now move to brightness. Click on brightness. So once you click on brightness, you try and increase this. You can see that. You can see that we've been able to increase that. Then what you just have to do is to click this. Can you see that? So that is it. Then now click, when you're coming to the layer, you click on vibrance. Just click on it. Just click on it. So now we look for the tools we want to use. Yeah, with this we have to use is brush tool. So what we have to do before you go on using the brush tools, you make sure that this is on this thing here is on black and white. Just click on this. You can use your X to control the black and white. Just press X, letter X. Just press letter X. If it does not work, that means it's on white, I think. Then press X again. Now it's on black. So you can see it what we are trying to do here. You can see it. Just try and make sure you are trying to. You can zoom it to see what you are doing. So just try to touch those places that has white that you want to make sure it's sharpening or to brighten it. So just try and move your mouse around it. So it's easy as that. So you do the second one also. This same method can work for fingers. I mean, any place that need white, any place in the body that the white is so dull. You understand? So you can use this same method to brighten up it, to sharpen the white. Yeah, to make it look amazing. Yeah. So that is it. So all you are going to do is just press your X again, which is going to do the cleaning of where is overshadow around the eyes or within this. You can see it. The control is like this. If you press Ctrl X, once you've clicked on this, I want to show you guys how it is. Click on this, it will automatically be, if you have truly changed the color, when you click on this, it will be automatically changed to white and black. So when it has been changed to white and black, you can just use your Ctrl S press, you can see it, you press it again to clean out where you want it to be, to make the white to be more sharpened. So you can see it, very easy, very easy if you follow the method whereby I'm doing it right away. So you have to clean all this out, just have to clean all this out, just have to clean all this out. Yeah, just clean all this out. Okay, just clean all these out. Very easy if you really calm yourself not to understand it. And if you are confused anywhere at all, you can just comment below and let me know your view, let me know where you are confused, and let me just tell you some little things where I can get it done. So as easy as that, it's not hard at all. So move to the second one, do the same thing that way. So here is it. So we're almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Okay, we're almost done. So this is it. Okay, we've been able to do what we want to do. So what you just have to do, you can see it's already on fragrance, and we are working on fragrance. You check my video very well, you know how we've been able to create this brightness and fragrance. So we are done with this. So what you just have to do is just press Ctrl I. Can you see this? Very simple and very okay. Ctrl I, it will change it automatically. You can see that. Before, this is how it is. Can you see it? This is how it is. Just where you can be able to click on the eye to remove it, what we just edited. So it comes back, it goes, it comes back, it goes, it comes back, and it goes. So that's how to do it. That's how to sharpen the brightening of eye to look more mature. So yeah, this is a Photoshop type, but really if you want to make it more realistic, you can just go to screen, or it's more brightening, you understand? It look more realistic when you do this. See it? This is a full one. You can see it. It look more realistic. But if you want, you should use the normal one, which normally used for photo editing. Look how you see the weight it is. You can see it's look more sharpened and more like the white looks more real. It have that kind of blue art looking, but it's more good. So that is how it is. You can as well come to brightness to check if it can control the brightness. Yeah, you can increase it. Can you see that? Then you can decrease it to control the brightness. Can you see that? That's how it works. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Yeah, bye.